Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge blue screen error. This issue can happen due to system glitches, an outdated browser, or hardware acceleration conflicts. Press the Windows key and go to the power icon. Choose Restart or Shutdown to clear temporary system issues. After restarting, open Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots, open Settings, and go to About Microsoft Edge. Let it check for updates and make sure you are using the latest version. Next, disable hardware acceleration. Go to System and Performance, then turn off hardware acceleration. Restart Edge if prompted. Now clear your browsing data. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then Clear Browsing Data. Click Choose what to clear. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear now. Restart the browser again and make sure Windows is up to date. Search for Windows Update and open the settings. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Now your Edge blue screen error should be fixed. We just learned how to fix the Edge blue screen error by restarting the PC, updating Edge, disabling hardware acceleration, clearing cache, and updating Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.